What is difference between cheetah and leopard? Cheetahs and leopards are different big cats. Cheetahs have slim bodies and are the fastest animals on land, running up to 70 miles per hour. They have small, round black spots and black, tear marks, on their faces. Cheetahs hunt during the day and live in open grasslands in Africa. Leopards are strong and muscular, with black spots that form rosettes. They don't have tear marks and are great climbers and swimmers. Leopards usually hunt at night and can live in many places like forests and mountains in Africa and Asia. Cheetahs are sometimes seen in small groups, while leopards are mostly alone. Feature today: cheetah and leopard. Scientific family of cheetah is Achinonyx jubatus and leopard is Panthera pardus. Size of cheetah is 1.1 to 1.5 meters, 3.6 to 4.9 feet, long, and leopard is 1.2 to 1.9 meters, 4 to 6.3 feet, long. Weight of cheetah 21 to 72 kilograms, 46 to 159 pounds, and leopard is 17 to 90 kilograms, 37 to 198 pounds. Habitat of cheetah is open savannas, grasslands, and leopard is forests, mountains, grasslands. Diet of cheetah is carnivorous. Primarily antelope, and leopard is carnivorous, diverse prey including deer. Lifespan of cheetah is 10 to 12 years in the wild and leopard is 12 to 17 years in the wild. Physical appearance of cheetah: slim, deep chest, tear marks on face, and leopard stocky, rosettes on coat. Speed of cheetah: fastest land animal, up to 112 km per hour, 70 miles per hour, and leopard is powerful climber, can run up to 58 km per hour. Hunting strategy of cheetah: daytime hunter, relies on speed, and leopard nocturnal, stealthy stalk and ambush. Social structure of cheetah is generally solitary or small groups, and leopard is solitary. Territory of cheetah: large home ranges, and leopard is smaller territories, marked by scent. Conservation status of cheetah: vulnerable, and of leopard is same. Range of cheetah is sub-Saharan Africa, small populations in Iran, and leopard is Africa, parts of Asia. Unique features of cheetah is non-retractable claws, aerodynamic body, and leopard is adaptable to various habitats. Threats of cheetah: habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and leopard is habitat loss, poachings.
Research interest: high-speed adaptations, conservation by cheetah and leopard, adaptability, stealth hunting techniques.